Welcome to DocuVerse. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating topic of the future of transportation and explore the cutting-edge technologies that hold the potential to revolutionize this vital aspect of our lives, making it more sustainable, efficient, and accessible. Transportation plays a crucial role in our daily lives, enabling us to commute to work, attend school, visit our loved ones, and embark on exciting journeys of exploration. However, it is also a significant contributor to pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. In the United States alone, the transportation sector is responsible for approximately 29% of all greenhouse gas emissions. Considering the environmental challenges we face, it is crucial to examine what lies ahead for transportation. In this video, we will shine a spotlight on some of the most promising technologies that could reshape transportation as we know it, fostering a greener and more sustainable future. One of the most promising advancements in transportation technology is the emergence of electric vehicles, EVs powered by batteries. Electric vehicles produce zero emissions during operation, offering an eco-friendly alternative to conventional gasoline-powered vehicles. The adoption of electric vehicles is already well underway, with their popularity surging in recent years. In fact, sales of electric vehicles in the United States witnessed an impressive growth rate of 80% in 2021 alone. As they become more affordable and widely available, electric vehicles are likely to continue to grow in adoption. This growth will help to reduce transportation emissions and improve air quality. The benefits of electric vehicles extend beyond environmental considerations. They are also more energy efficient and often quieter compared to traditional vehicles. Additionally, advancements in battery technology are increasing their driving range, addressing one of the challenges associated with EVs. However, challenges such as higher upfront costs, limited charging infrastructure, and long charging times still need to be addressed to encourage wider adoption. Nonetheless, electric vehicles hold immense promise for reducing pollution, improving air quality, and combating climate change. Another groundbreaking technology that holds immense potential for the future of transportation is self-driving cars. These vehicles utilize advanced sensors and cutting-edge software to navigate roads autonomously, without the need for human intervention. Whilst it's still in the early stages of development, they have the capacity to transform transportation in various ways. Most notably, they have the potential to significantly improve safety, increase efficiency, and provide greater accessibility. Self-driving cars can minimize human errors on the road, thereby enhancing safety. They are equipped with sensors that can detect obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles, allowing for quicker reaction times and potentially reducing accidents. Moreover, self-driving cars can optimize traffic flow by communicating with each other, which can alleviate congestion and improve overall efficiency. In terms of accessibility, they have the potential to empower individuals who are unable to drive due to disabilities or age-related limitations. By offering a reliable and safe mode of transportation, this could enhance mobility and independence for a significant portion of the population. However, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed for the widespread adoption of self-driving cars. Safety remains a paramount concern, and rigorous testing and regulations are necessary to ensure their reliability. Privacy is another important consideration, as it relies on collecting and processing vast amounts of data. Ethical considerations surrounding decision-making algorithms in critical situations also need to be carefully addressed. Overcoming these challenges will be crucial to harnessing the full potential of self-driving cars in revolutionizing transportation. Another ambitious idea is Hyperloop. Hyperloop is a transportation concept that aims to propel passengers in capsules at unprecedented speeds through near-vacuum tubes. This cutting-edge technology envisions a network of low-pressure tubes where pods travel at high speeds using magnetic levitation and reduced air resistance. Although still in its early stages of development, this technology has the potential to redefine transportation by providing exceptionally fast and efficient travel. With speeds of up to 760 miles per hour, 1,220 kilometers an hour, the Hyperloop could drastically reduce travel times, transforming long-distance transportation. By operating in a near-vacuum environment, it eliminates air resistance, enabling the pods to achieve incredibly high speeds with minimal energy consumption. The reduced energy requirements and potential use of renewable energy sources make the Hyperloop an attractive option for sustainable transportation. However, there are significant engineering and logistical challenges to overcome before this can become a reality. The construction of the infrastructure, ensuring passenger safety, and addressing potential regulatory and legal issues pose considerable hurdles. Nonetheless, it represents a visionary transportation concept that could revolutionize the way we travel in the future. Also, while still largely conceptual, the idea of flying cars has captured our imaginations for years. These futuristic vehicles, also known as vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft, could potentially offer a new dimension of mobility, particularly in congested urban areas. Flying cars could alleviate traffic congestion by utilizing the airspace and providing a faster mode of transportation. Imagine a future where people can travel seamlessly from one location to another, bypassing traffic jams and enjoying a more efficient and time-saving commute. However, several challenges need to be addressed for the practical realization of this. Development costs, safety regulations, and infrastructure requirements are among the key obstacles. Also, the integration of that into existing airspace and the establishment of air traffic management systems would be critical for their safe and efficient operation. Additionally, noise pollution and public acceptance are important factors that need to be carefully considered. While the development of flying cars may still be years away, ongoing advancements in electric propulsion, autonomous navigation, and urban air mobility are bringing us closer to the realization of this transformative transportation concept. Another innovative technology that has already made strides in some parts of the world is drone delivery. Drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have the potential to transform e-commerce and last-mile logistics by revolutionizing the way goods are transported and delivered. Drone delivery offers the possibility of swift and efficient transportation of packages directly to customers' doorsteps. This can significantly reduce delivery times and enhance convenience, particularly in areas with challenging terrains or limited infrastructure. However, there are challenges associated with this that need to be addressed. Range limitations, payload capacity, and battery life are among the technical constraints that impact the scalability and practicality of drone delivery. Furthermore, safety and privacy concerns require careful consideration as drones operate in public airspace and handle personal data during the delivery process. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of this are substantial. It can enable faster, more efficient deliveries, reduce carbon emissions associated with traditional delivery methods, and enhance accessibility in remote or underserved areas. Continued advancements in drone technology, regulatory frameworks, and public acceptance are necessary to fully realize the transformative potential of drone delivery. In conclusion, the future of transportation is teeming with exciting possibilities. With the advent of electric vehicles, flying cars, Hyperloop technology, drone delivery, and also self-driving cars, we stand at the precipice of a transportation revolution. These innovative technologies offer the potential to create a transportation system that is not only more sustainable and efficient, but also more accessible to all individuals. We find ourselves living in a truly remarkable era, and it is with great anticipation that we await the unfolding of the future of transportation, where environmental concerns are mitigated, efficiency is enhanced, and accessibility is prioritized. The challenges that lie ahead are significant, but the potential rewards are immense. It's an exciting time to be alive, and we can't wait to witness the transformation of transportation in the years to come. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the future of transportation. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment telling us what topics you'd like to see us cover next. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep expanding your horizons.